Hello YouTube, Catch'em here, and as a big thank you for hitting 1,000 subscribers, today I'm going to be showing a tutorial of how I make my catch challenges. So, let's begin. The 3 apps you are going to need are InShot, KineMaster, and Magic Eraser. Once you have got those 3 apps downloaded, you want to go to Google. Now, as I'm creating Pokemon catch challenges, I'm searching for Pokemon, but you could search for Minecraft, whatever challenge you would like to make. So you need to search for a PNG file. So I'm going to search for Mega Pokemon Luxray X PNG. You go to images. Now you want to look for what images are going to work. Now this image is not going to work because he doesn't have a checkered background. That image is not going to work because he doesn't have a checkered background. As you can see, this image is going to work. So you want to add him to photos. I'm going to close that now. Now you want to tap on your photo to see if it goes black from behind. Now as you can see, that photo works. So what you want to do now is you want to go to Magic Eraser, click the X, wait for the advert. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the picture you've just downloaded, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So invert mask. This one here, you want to push that so it goes like that. Now you can either save it as white and just save it like that with a different resolution, or you can edit background and change your color. So in this one, I'm going to change the color to light blue. Now you press done. Now you want to leave that app, and now you want to go to KineMaster. Just wait for this. There we go. Alright, now you want to click Media. You want to click on the little middle one. You want to click on the 2 photos you've just done, like created. Now, you click this second one, so the shadow. Click on him, move him up to however many seconds you want. So I'm going to put him for 15 seconds. Bearing in mind, this also hang on a second. I was meant to do it like that. Right, so these are for shorts. These are for shorts. 1.1 is for shorts videos, or that one, or that one 4.5, or all of them, they work for shorts, but I'm making this as a bigger one for watch hours, so I need to go back and do that again. So you want to click your 2 ones you've done. I'm going to put them up to 15 seconds, that was what I was going to say, wasn't it? Right, 15 seconds. Now I'm going to add Luxray. You want to make sure he's lined up perfectly to the template in the back. Right. So that's what as best as he's going to go for a minute. I'm going to move the bottom bit to be at the back. Now this is the main bit. This bit here, you want to click onto the bottom one and click the key icon. And now this is your keyframes. So this is what makes him move. So the first bit you would want to basically put over. Now this is what I'll do. So I'll make this one simple just to show you. Let's make him jump around a bit. Just want to keep doing this all the way until you get to the end. some, so it just keeps going sideways. Alright, now with all the keyframes in, you now want to go back and you want to choose your bit, so I don't really want to capture them on the first one, make him easier to catch on this bit. I'm going to go over just a little bit, pull him back down into the middle. Go find another one you want to do, so he lands there, pull him over a bit, pull him back into the middle. Same with this bit, and pull him back into the middle. Just make sure where you're pulling him back into the middle every time, just make sure you don't do it too much to make it too easy, and look on the keyframe at the bottom to where the circles are. So I'm going to put another one here. And there. Right, now let's play it. Basically your catch video. Obviously when you're using your keyframes, he's a bit simple and I did a lot of catches to make him quite easy, but theoretically if you was to put loads of bits into the middle of these bits, you know what I mean, and with the catchy bits he would just go absolutely fast and start making it harder. You can also pull it back and start making him vibrating into the places as well, but that's a bit harder. It's just playing with the keyframes really, to know it works. But now I want to save this video as high quality, full HD, 30 frame rate. You want to skip that, just want to ignore that. Right, now you want to close that up. This is how I do mine. I'd delete the 2 photos so I know where I am. Now I've got that video. Now you want to go to InShot. Now, placed in your video. Now, as you can see at the minute, my background is set for a short video. I don't want that though. I want it to be like that, so it's back to the way I've set it in KineMaster. If I set the other one in KineMaster for one short video, it'll go like that. And I'll put a different background in. That's how I make my shorts ones. But this is for potentially to try and get a little bit of watch hours. So if you is to, this is what I do here. Get my Pokemon Catch logo, put him down, put him over the KineMaster bit, put him over to like that. Now the only thing you really need now is a track, so you would find a tune. You want to find one that is not copyright. So to avoid copyright, you don't really want to use that. You want to use one that is completely not copyright. So to do that, you just have to keep scrolling through all of them. As you can see, these ones here just say use. So I'm just going to use this one. I'll put a subscribe button in just so it's not so plain. So let's split that. And now I'll add my subscribe button. Let's put him down in the corner. Put up to like that. And your catch video is now done. Just need to save it. don't go off the apps or anything when you're saving it, because it just doesn't save, it just errors.
This is...
Wait for your little advert. You've got to wait for these adverts if they come up as well, because it still won't save. That one says save, when you go back, discard. Like that. Now, here's your video. That tutorial helps. If I've not done very amazing, I'll try to remake that one with what you got stuck with. But yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.